Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys been saying more videos about the Evo, and today it's kind of cold outside, but we're gonna do a cold start and take this beautiful car for a spin, and we're gonna go put some E85 and do some POV videos. Maybe we race with someone, we're not sure, but maybe we will. Okay, the map should change right now. Oh, god damn, fucking cold. Let's see. Yeah, the map changed. Well, we have like 55%. Let's go,
GPS
guys.
connected.
Damn, it is fucking cold outside, bro. Fuck this. This fucking bitch spin, and I got the ASC system, the traction control light on, guys, but I just need to stop the car, turn off the car and back on, so it's gonna go away. But fuck, it's moving. Oh my gosh, the E85, yeah, there is a big difference, guys, between pump 93 and E85. I just need to turn off the car and turn the car back on for the traction control. I'm gonna try to do another pulse, but with the traction control off, after I turn off the car and back on. Okay, so we turn off the car, back on, traction should be off.
X-band.
Yeah, it's off.
K-band.
I'm just gonna press right now. Okay.
Laser.
Now it's
GPS
off.
connected. K-band.
Okay guys, so right now we're gonna do another 40 roll with the traction control off, because when it's on and if the car spins a little bit it cuts boost, so I lose boost, I lose a little bit power. So right now we're just gonna do it with the traction control off. I hope there is no cops around here somewhere. So let's try to do another one. Second gear, 40 roll. Okay guys, so we did a couple of pulls around here, and I'm just gonna chill a little bit because right there on the other side are the neighbors and I don't want them to call the cops. But let's take a break, and I feel like I never talk about my car, and today let's talk a little bit about my car, because even all the videos I have on YouTube I never said shit about my car like what I have done to it, and I feel like I should let you guys know how much I'm pushing and all this stuff. Okay, so let's pop up the hood and I'm gonna go one by one, tell you guys everything. Just don't hate me. So here we go, let's go one by one. I have a stage 1 turbo, guys. This turbo could handle 550, around 600 horsepower, not more. I'm pushing 36 psi of boost on this turbo. Then if you guys remember, we changed the downpipe with the open dump and titanium exhaust, and we couldn't take out the exhaust manifold because one bolt, like from there on the back, was, when we took all the bolts out, only one got stuck, and we didn't want to break the bolt to get stuck in the manifold in the turbo and leave the car in the shop. So I was like, no, we're not gonna change that. But I do have the manifold on the car. Then we have a blow off right here. We have a cold air intake. We have a big intercooler in the front, also the charge pipe right there. Other than that, the engine is stock. The transmission, I have a stage 2 competition clutch. Then we have the stock rims on the car. Have a big wing, and the exhaust, the titanium exhaust, which I really like it. When I didn't have open dump, the car was loud, but with the open dump it's way louder, guys. It's very loud, and that's all what I have on the car, guys. The car is not tuned. I'm running the car with the boost controller, which is a little bit not safe. I'm gonna show it to you. So this is the boost controller, which I'm running 36 psi of boost. It's not safe how I say it, because I can blow my engine or whatever the fuck I can do, but I feel like this is the maximum I can do on the car, because with this turbo I feel like it's okay. And I'm pushing 420 wheel horsepower, and on E85 I believe it's a little bit more. I never took the car to the dyno, that's the problem, guys. I never took the car to the dyno, so I don't know how much I'm pushing it. But other than that, I really love this car, you know. Yeah, other than that, guys, I really love this car. It's something, it was my dream car, so I love it. It's beautiful. If you want to buy a Evo, go for it. Go for the Evo, guys. You never gonna regret that you bought the Evo. This, first of all, is gonna give you emotions. It's not a BMW. I love BMWs too, but BMW gives you different emotion, like pops, gunshots, all this shit. But Evo is different. Like, I love BMW driving, having pops and all this. Like, everybody look at me, oh my gosh, like, I don't know, AK-47 on the street. But Evo stick shift gives you different emotions. I really love it. And this is a 2015 Lancer Evo Final Edition. Why Final Edition?
X band, K band, KA band, laser.
So I got the Final Edition because only Final Edition coming with the transmission a little bit stronger. I don't know much about it, but I know that the Final Edition, the transmission can handle a little bit more horsepower, and it's more powerful, and it won't break as easy as like a normal Lancer Evolution. So this is the US 943 Final Edition. I have the sticker number right here, if you guys can see. And I will say it again, I do have big plans on this car. Right now I'm happy with what I do, but with the power I make, I'm happy. And if you guys don't know, I raced a Mustang V6 big turbo, single turbo, bigger than mine. We did 40. I smoked the fuck out of him on 40. Then 60, I was in the front a little bit, but then he's passing me. But of course he had a big slicks on the back, big turbo, and I did 60 with him. But I feel like my car is making very good power, so I'm super happy. And yeah, right now let's go do more pulls. I feel like the neighbor should chill a little bit. They're not gonna call the cops, I guess. Let's go.